Hi everyone, I'm Ben Jones, author of Leading in the Age of Data. I have some exciting news to share with you today. We are launching a brand new course, Data Literacy for Leaders, empowering organizations in a data-rich world. It's designed especially for leaders like you who want to navigate the current environment with confidence and precision. This course is more than just understanding numbers. We dive deep into 7 crucial factors of data leadership: ethics, purpose, data, technology, people, process, and culture. We will learn how to address ethical dilemmas, drive purposeful initiatives, handle data responsibly, make the most of technology, empower the people on our teams, streamline our processes, and foster a data-inspired culture. So whether you're an established leader or just starting your journey, and no matter what kind of organization or department you lead, this course is the key to unlocking your team's data potential. Let's drive toward a more data-literate future together. I can't wait to see you in the course. Join us, and let's lead in the age of data. See you soon.